Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So on today's episode of my cooking vlog, I am going to show you how I make this super delicious and super healthy vegetable soup. I'll show you how to make it, so keep on watching. So guys, here's the vegetables we need in this recipe. So what I'm just gonna do right now is to wash and peel all of them. So guys, our vegetables are ready. They are washed and peeled, and I'm just going to prepare them so that I can start cutting. So in this recipe guys, we just gonna need this vegetable called marrow. We also need a potato. This leaves called parsley. We also need an onion, a carrot, and a small can of corn. The corn gives additional very good flavor in this recipe, guys. So guys, now I'm going to start cutting all the vegetables into small pieces, like not very small cube guys, but something we can still chew while having the soup, just like this one guys. Guys, we're going to cut the potato, the marrow, and the carrots this way. The parsley, we're going to chop it later. Guys, all the vegetables I use in this recipe contains a lot of good health benefits. Marrow is full of collagen, which improves health and strength of bones and skin. Potatoes are a good source of fiber, which can help you lose weight. Carrots can help keep blood sugar levels under control. Parsley is loaded with vitamin K, which has been linked to bone health. Corn is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps to protect our cells from any kind of diseases like cancer and heart disease. So guys, I'm done cutting all the vegetables I need in this recipe. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just going to strain the canned corn that I'm going to use, because there is a water inside the canned corn guys. I'm just showing this to you. If you don't like the water from the corn, it's okay, just strain the corn just like this way. But for me in this recipe, I love to add the water from the corn because it adds more good flavor to the soup. So that's it guys, our ingredients are ready for this soup recipe. So we're going to start cooking. So guys, I will start on preheating the casserole to where I'm going to cook my soup. Just give time to your casserole to preheat before start cooking. Start by sautéing the onions. Next, add the carrots. Also, add the potatoes and the rest of the ingredients. Guys, we also need 1 broth cubes in here. This is vegetable broth cubes, guys. I'm also adding a teaspoon of black pepper powder and a teaspoon of salt.